Welcome to samaditech, your go-to source for showcasing the latest and greatest in modern tools. Today, we'll take you through a selection of top-rated products that are game changers for both professionals and hobbyists, enhancing your productivity and transforming the way you work. Stay tuned. Presenting an efficient tool designed specifically for clearing sewer pipes, ideal for both professional plumbers and homeowners dealing with clogged drains. It features a 6-foot steel cable with a flexible curved tip that expertly maneuvers through pipes without scratching the toilet's porcelain. The swivel head allows smooth movement even in complex joints. Constructed from sturdy 3/8-inch steel wire, the drop head end effectively grabs and removes obstructions. Additionally, the curved plastic nozzle safeguards the porcelain bowl, providing added protection during use and ensuring a safe, damage-free experience. Say goodbye to inconvenient paint jobs with the Graco Ultra Cordless Handheld Paint Sprayer. This tool is perfect for small surfaces and projects that demand high mobility and quick spraying. It delivers flawless airless coverage at any speed, efficiently atomizing up to 1 gallon of paint per fill. A precision pressure regulator ensures consistent atomization without pressure drops. Quick setup lets you start spraying in no time, and the easy clean design cuts cleanup time to just minutes. The cordless sprayer runs on the DeWalt lithium-ion battery system and works with any 18-volt hybrid air compressor battery. The Titan SprayRoller is a versatile and effective painting tool that combines spraying and back-rolling in a single step. Its unique modular design allows one person to complete tasks that usually need two, cutting down on overspray and prep time. This tool guarantees a smooth, even coat on textured surfaces and simplifies touch-ups, even for beginners. It works with any airless sprayer and includes a standard 9-inch roller, making it an ideal choice for various painting projects. Wolfcraft Clamp offers a reliable and efficient way to secure different parts and materials during various tasks. It is compatible with all 20mm hole systems, making it easy to attach to any standard work surface. With a clamping span of 120mm, and a force capacity of up to 90 kilograms, it's well suited for holding pieces of different sizes, both in workshops and on construction sites. Built from durable fiberglass and hardened steel, it ensures longevity. The rubber clamping jaws have a V-shaped notch for a secure grip, even on round objects. An additional jaw allows the clamp to be quickly converted to a one-handed operation, perfect for quick and efficient fastening tasks. Lanzi is a top-tier handheld roller tailored for lawn care enthusiasts. Made from durable steel, it boasts an adjustable handle with a convenient clip-on boom for effortless maneuverability and comfortable use. The spreader features innovative rotating drum technology and a unique mesh rhomboid grate for efficient filtration, ensuring an even and quick application of fertilizer across your lawn. The hinge door simplifies filling, while secure side clips prevent accidental spills. Its rotating action breaks down clumpy materials, trapping larger debris inside for easy disposal. This versatile tool is perfect for spreading compost, peat moss, manure, top-dressing soil, and even herbs, boosting your lawn's health and appearance. The octagonal blade fabric cutting machine is designed to make fabric cutting faster and more efficient. Equipped with a 4-inch rotating aluminum blade, it ensures precise and smooth cuts across various materials. Its powerful AC motor is capable of cutting through fabrics up to 1 inch thick. For consistent performance, the tool includes an automatic sharpener that keeps the blade razor sharp with every use. Safety is prioritized with adjustable front and fixed side blade guards, offering protection during operation. This electric cutter is user-friendly, providing stable and effortless movement. It can cut up to 15 layers of material, including cotton, leather, wool, knits, silk, and sponge. This versatile machine is ideal for multiple applications such as garment manufacturing, textiles, non-wovens, quilting, rugs, and paper goods. It's a reliable choice for both professional and crafting needs. The Swift Clean Cordless Stain Cleaner is a compact handheld vacuum designed for both wet and dry cleaning. Its strong suction power quickly lifts stains, while the electric brush effectively tackles different types of fresh dirt. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go use across various settings. Versatile attachments add to its functionality, catering to a wide range of cleaning needs. The dust container is easily detachable for quick emptying, ensuring smooth operation. A dual filtration system maintains the cleaner's performance, and the transparent parts are dishwasher safe, simplifying upkeep. Ideal for light cleaning tasks like upholstery, car seats, stairs, carpets, and more. The Makita Thermo Wrench is a versatile cordless heat tool, providing over 21 minutes of continuous use per charge and reaching temperatures up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit with an airflow of 7 cubic feet per minute. It is ideal for tasks like vehicle tinting, paint and varnish removal, sticker removal, and wax application or removal. The tool includes user-friendly features like a trigger switch, an on-off lock, and a built-in LED light for improved visibility. Its compact design, measuring only 6 5/8 inches long, and soft rubber grip offer comfort during extended use. Additionally, it is compatible with a variety of interchangeable nozzles, which can be easily swapped using the quick-release mechanism without touching hot surfaces. The AGP Electric Diamond Chainsaw simplifies sawing and cutting through concrete, metal, and wood materials of various sizes. Compact and versatile, it delivers a cutting depth of up to 12 inches. Equipped with a powerful 3,200-watt motor, it ensures smooth and efficient operation, supported by a soft start function and built-in overheat and overload protection. Engineered for demanding conditions, this tool excels at right-angle cuts, deep cuts, and precision holes without overcuts. Its design reduces fumes, noise, and vibration, while eliminating the need for a hydraulic power unit. Weighing just 9 kilograms, the chainsaw is easy to maneuver and transport, while its load indicator maximizes productivity. Ideal for professional use in tough environments, this saw combines performance with ease of use. Makita Rechargeable Coffee Maker is perfect for coffee enthusiasts who want fresh brews on the go. This compact, cordless machine works seamlessly with Makita lithium-ion slider, 10.8 volts, 14.4 volts, and 18 volts, making it highly portable and versatile. It's designed to use both ground coffee and coffee pods, so there is no need for paper filters. The sturdy build includes a strong carry handle and a removable water tank for easy refills and cleaning. It brews a 5-ounce cup of coffee in just 5 minutes with a capacity to make 2 to 5 cups per charge, depending on the battery size. The kit also comes with an 8-ounce stainless steel mug with a lid and a measuring spoon.